Hi, let me show you how to remove forgotten password, PIN code or pattern on Samsung Galaxy A36. So, for that, only way is to factory reset phone. But we cannot unlock it because we forgot pattern, right? So we are gonna force restart it first and then factory reset. For that, prepare this USB Type-C cable, connect it to your laptop, and other end plug in your phone because we are gonna enter recovery mode. And for that we need to connect it to laptop or PC. Now we are gonna press power button with volume down button at the same time, like that, but ignore this power off menu, just continue holding till the screen will be completely turned off. And now quickly switch from volume down to volume up button. As you can see, I'm holding those two buttons. And we need to hold them till we can see information recovery mode. So it could take even a minute because for some reason Samsungs are really slow after force restart. So yeah, just continue holding. Now we saw Samsung logo, we need to hold the buttons still. And yep, now we are in a recovery mode, so at this point we can unplug the cable. So now in this menu, we need to find wipe data and factory reset. For that, you need to use your volume down button to go for the list. And once this option lights up blue, you need to confirm the choice by pressing power button. Here you'll see that this section cannot be undone, so go a bit lower to see factory data reset and confirm choice by pressing power button again. Now it erased your data and we need to reboot system now. So this option will highlight blue by default, so just press your power button to confirm the choice. And now your phone will turn off and just in a few moments turn back on, and you need to set up this phone again. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.